In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Slack from Notion. If you're looking to streamline your digital workspace by removing unnecessary connections, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can ensure your Slack environment is neat and free from any integrations you no longer need. First, let's start by opening up Slack on your device. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the process is essentially the same. Once you have Slack open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your workspace name. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your workspace. Next, you're going to look for the Tools option in this menu. Hover over it and you'll see a submenu appear. In this submenu, select Manage Apps. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can go directly to your workspace's app management page by following the link specific to your Slack account. This page is a central hub for all the apps integrated with your workspace, and it's crucial for managing these connections effectively. Now we need to search for the Notion app. There's usually a search bar on this page, which makes finding specific apps a breeze. Type Notion into the search field, and the app should come up in the results. Click on Notion to open its app page within Slack. On the Notion app page, you'll have the option to remove it from your workspace. If you have the necessary permissions, you will see either Remove App or Uninstall. Go ahead and click on this option. It's important to note that sometimes you may not have the authority to uninstall apps. In many Slack workspaces, only the workspace owner or an admin can perform this action. So if you don't see these removal options, you might want to reach out to an admin for assistance. Once you click on the removal option, you will be prompted to confirm this action. It's a simple yet crucial step to ensure that you're making the change intentionally. Confirm your decision and voila! You've successfully disconnected Slack from Notion. Your workspace should now be free from this integration, lightening your digital load just a bit more. That's all there is to it. Remember, by keeping your workspace free of unnecessary apps, you maintain a cleaner, more efficient Slack environment. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from a more streamlined digital space. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your digital life organized and efficient.